This video is about orientations. During sketching and modeling process we required to see model or sketch from different angles or orientations. Hi, welcome to our channel, Design Engineers. Support us by clicking on subscribe button and bell icon. The rectangle is created in the top view orientation. As you work on a sketch, the orientation may change. There are three ways you can use to return the sketch to its original orientation. If you want to return to the top view orientation with View Selector, click the View Orientation tool at the top of the drawing screen. The View Selector cube will appear. Click the top surface of the View Selector cube. If the cube does not appear, click the View Selector icon on the View Orientation tool panel. The sketch will return to the top view orientation. If you want to return to the top view orientation with top view, click the View Orientation tool at the top of the drawing screen. Click the Top View tool. If you want to return to the top view orientation with Orientation Triad, the Orientation Triad is located in the lower left corner of the drawing screen. Solidworks defines the top plane as the XZ plane. The y-axis is 90 degrees to the XZ plane, so a view taken along the y-axis will generate a top view of the plane. Move the cursor onto the Orientation Triad. Click the y-axis indicator arrow. The triad will reorientate to the top view orientation. To watch our more videos, subscribe our channel and press bell icon. If you like this video, press like button and share to your friends. Here you can learn SolidWorks from beginning to expert level as much short time as possible. Thanks for watching.